Hey everybody, this is Carla R. Jenkins and welcome to an all new episode of Projectized, the project management show where I discuss three things: the business of project management, how businesses use project management, and obtaining project management certification. Well, today I'm going to talk about number two, how businesses use project management. And in this episode, I'll be talking about the Internet of Things using the Agile Project Management Framework. So, welcome if you're new. I am not only certified project management professional, certified Scrum Master, and IDO 3 and 4 certified. So, this episode, I'm going to talk about the from IoT for All website. I came across it and I always want to get the latest trends on project management. And I came across IoT and Agile framework partners in efficacy. And it says Internet of Things can help agile development teams become more effective. New traits that IoT can give in an agile team include enhanced creativity and smoother internal collaborations. So it caught my eye because I'm a techie, but I also seen a lot of technology um, um, be discussed. Yesterday, I did an episode on artificial intelligence. Today, I'm doing something on the Internet of Things. And first, I'm going to start off with a definition. So, per this article, the Internet of Things is a system of smart devices that can interact with each other through the Internet. So, everything is connected through the Internet. And boil it down, it means the intelligent interactions of smart devices that make your life easier. And so they also look at the Agile framework and they look at the Agile principles, which is a set of principles that guide the software development industry for the past decade. Actually, it's over two because they wrote the Agile manifesto in 2001 and is currently, as of this recording, December 5th, 2019. So for 18 years. Also, before that, you have Scrum. I mentioned I was a certified Scrum Master. And here's the article. Good evening, Trifiana. Thank you for joining me. So here's the article that I'm going to put a link in the description so that you can see it and you can read it. But this is Projectized. This is my show. I come on here Mondays through Friday, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during the work week to discuss project management. And also, in addition to that, I wanted to talk about the Internet of Things because I want people to get ready because I just read and LinkedIn that the Project Management Institute, which administers the project management professional as well as the Agile certified practitioner, since we're discussing Agile, will be doing PMBOK the seventh edition. So in 2016, we had the release of Project Management Body of Knowledge 6th edition, and this is 2019, about to be 2020, and so they're having a new edition. And one of the things was the inclusion of agile tailoring, like agile principles, and how you apply the project management body of knowledge to agile. So, this artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, is the next step. And per this article, it says IoT can help agile development teams be more effective. It talks about smoother internal collaborations, and they break down the Agile principles, which I talked about, which the creators of Agile came together in 2001, and is value additional individual and team interactions over processes and tools, stress on working software over a consolidated document, collaboration with customer rather than negotiation of contract, responding to the situation rather than sticking to fixed plans, which is paraphrasing the Agile principles and manifestos. So, going in deeper into the Agile project and answering the question, how can the Internet of Things add to Agile development? And they talk about participatory production. And in an Agile team, you have the changes that are incorporated only after one sprint. Like after a release, you have a percent of done. That's the work that you've done. So you may have a product backlog or a sprint backlog, and you can change. And so they're saying with the Internet of Things, things could be much different because you would integrate simulation tools with clients and managers, and you're doing live updating of design. So everything would be more real time. They also talk about how things will be, uh, like I mentioned yesterday with tax management, you would have bots, but you would have machine learning and things that are more real time, faster. You can make more decisions. You can get more meaningful work, which is what Agile is. Agile isn't static, it's dynamic. So you want to be more agile, then that means that the Internet of Things will give you more participation, more empowerment. I mentioned certified Scrum Master. Scrum, when you are the Scrum Master, you're a servant leader and you do have a daily stand up of 15 minutes. And so you would have more participatory production of answering the 3 Scrum questions. The second thing for this article is minimize iteration cycles. It says the natural consequence of a participatory production process is a successful review meeting. That also means more things getting done. You do have a retrospective where you meet with the business, and what they're saying right here is you would minimize the time iteration box, at least for a sprint, using Scrum. And so it means final iteration, faster and fewer iterations and faster delivery of the final product. A third one is enhanced creativities. And they're talking about how repetition is boredom. But with IoT, uh, the projects won't be as stuck and you would get different, more iterative and incremental development cycles. And that IoT wouldn't be boring. Number 4, smooth internal collaborations. And they're saying that designers may go for unique ideas or they want to align or vice versa. And furthermore, in this article, they're using the Internet of Things device like smart assistants can simultaneously analyze the design stage and coding to suggest complexity levels to warn designer and developers. And then it says for number 5, to steer projects rightly. And so with the Internet of Things devices, I'm going to put the link in the description again for the article so that you can see it since people are coming in, that you can use the Internet of Things and your smart devices or connected devices to steer the project using the Agile project management methodology in the right direction, to steer projects in the right direction. So those are the 5 reasons for the IoT for All website. And they say that, it's saying that Internet of Things should be merged or incorporated in the Agile project management framework to make it easier to do Agile and easier to have the work done. So I wanted to use this episode of Projectized as an opportunity so that people can have a better understanding of the new current trends, the new technology, of project management. And if you do decide to pursue project management certification or Agile certified project management, that you have a firm grasp of what's currently happening in project management. As I mentioned before, they're currently underway with the 7th edition of Project Management Body of Knowledge. And that means that they will probably be incorporating more stuff regarding technology like artificial intelligence, chatbots, because this technology has been out. Facebook Messenger has been out like 2-3 years, maybe even longer. And so you have to make sure that the project management phase is relevant to what's going on. And also, as I mentioned before, if you do need help passing your project management professional, your CAPN, which is Certified Associate in Project Management, or IDO 3 and 4, I still have my calendar open. You can get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. I would like to thank all live and replay viewers for taking out the time to watch this video, Projectized, whether it's Periscope, which is Twitter Live, also YouTube Live and Instagram Live.